Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Revolut in Ireland. Revolut is a digital banking app that allows you to manage your finances, send and receive money, and make payments. To get started, download the Revolut app from the App Store or Google Play and sign up for an account. You will need to provide some personal details and verify your identity. Once you have signed up, you will need to add money to your Revolut account. You can do this by transferring funds from your existing bank account, using a debit or credit card, or by setting up a direct debit. You can also top up your account at a Revolut partner location. The Revolut app is very user-friendly and allows you to easily manage your accounts, track your spending, and set budgets. You can also use the app to send and receive money, both domestically and internationally. Revolut offers competitive exchange rates and low fees, making it a great option for international transactions. One of the key features of Revolut is the ability to create virtual cards. These cards can be used for online transactions and can be frozen or cancelled if they are lost or stolen. You can also use the app to apply for a physical debit card, which can be used to make purchases in store or online. To make the most of Revolut, it is a good idea to explore the different features and settings within the app. You can set up notifications to alert you to transactions, and you can also use the app to track your credit score. Additionally, Revolut offers a range of rewards and benefits, including cashback and discounts at certain retailers. In terms of security, Revolut takes the protection of your funds very seriously. Your account is protected by a password and two-factor authentication, and you can also freeze your card if it is lost or stolen. Revolut is also regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, which means that your funds are protected up to a certain amount. Overall, Revolut is a great option for anyone looking for a digital banking solution in Ireland. It is easy to use, offers competitive exchange rates and low fees, and provides a range of features and benefits. By following these steps and exploring the different features of the app, you can make the most of Revolut and take control of your finances.